Finding calm in the chaos. Imagine yourself in the heart of nature, surrounded by the gentle rustling of leaves and the soothing sound of a flowing stream. Let this serene environment and calming music guide you into a state of tranquility. The power of meditation. Meditation is more than just a practice, it's a gateway to inner transformation and spiritual awakening. By dedicating time to meditation, we can navigate the chaos of our daily lives with greater ease and clarity. It offers a path to reconnect with our true selves, fostering a sense of peace and balance. Today, let's take a few moments for a guided meditation aimed at spiritual awakening. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and allow yourself to be present in this moment. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and allow yourself to be present in this moment. Focus on your breath, let go of any tension in your body and feel the calmness enveloping you. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this deep breathing pattern 3 more times. As you return to your natural breathing rhythm, bring awareness to your heart center. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing there, radiating peace and love. This light represents your true self and the divine connection within. With each inhale, envision this light growing brighter and expanding throughout your body. With each exhale, let go of any doubts or fears that may be holding you back from fully experiencing this connection. Mentally affirm, I am open to spiritual growth. I embrace my path with trust and gratitude. Feel these words resonate deeply within you as you continue to breathe naturally. Picture yourself standing at the top of a serene mountain with a panoramic view of a beautiful landscape below. This is symbolic of seeing life from a higher perspective, one that is aligned with inner wisdom and universal consciousness. Allow yourself to feel connected to everything around you, the sky above, the earth below, and all living beings sharing this journey. Now shift your focus slightly further inward, imagine opening an internal gateway in your mind's eye. Allow whatever insights or intuitive feelings come forth without judgment or expectation. These moments are seeds of awakening being planted within you. Know that spiritual awakening is not an endpoint but an ongoing journey, a series of enlightening moments woven into the fabric of everyday life. Take comfort in knowing that every step forward brings greater clarity. When ready, gently begin wiggling your fingers, toes, and slowly open your eyes, carrying a sense of awakening and clarity forward into the day ahead. Through this simple practice, we can begin to unlock the profound power of meditation. Overcoming daily struggles. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. Many of us battle with stress and anxiety on a daily basis, whether it's from the demands of work, the complexities of relationships, or the relentless societal pressures that seem to weigh us down. We often find ourselves craving a sense of inner calm and balance but struggle to achieve it amidst the chaos. Personally, I've been there too. There were times when I felt completely drained, unable to find peace within myself. The constant mental chatter and emotional turbulence made it difficult to stay grounded. I longed for a way to navigate these challenges and reconnect with my inner self. That's where meditation comes in. It's a powerful tool that can help us overcome these daily struggles by providing a sanctuary of calm and clarity. Through meditation, we can learn to manage our stress and anxiety more effectively, bringing a sense of peace into our lives. It allows us to step back from the noise and cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves. Imagine starting your day with a few minutes of mindful breathing, setting the tone for a more balanced and centered experience. Or taking a moment in the middle of a hectic day to close your eyes and focus on your breath, instantly grounding yourself in the present moment. These simple practices can make a world of difference in how we handle life's challenges. Meditation is not about escaping our problems but about facing them with a newfound sense of awareness and resilience. It's about finding that inner calm amidst the storm and using it as a foundation for personal growth and transformation. So, let's embark on this journey together, embracing meditation as a means to overcome our daily struggles and discover a deeper sense of peace and balance within ourselves. Connecting with your inner self. Now, let's dive into the heart of meditation practice, connecting with your inner self. The journey begins with the basics, finding a comfortable posture, whether sitting cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. The key is to keep your spine straight yet relaxed. Next, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple act of mindful breathing can be incredibly grounding. As you breathe, gently guide your wandering mind back to the rhythm of your breath whenever it starts to drift. Through this practice, we begin to cultivate mindfulness, a state of being fully present and aware. It's in these moments of stillness that we can connect with our true selves, uncovering layers of inner peace and clarity. Meditation allows us to unlock our true potential by fostering a deeper understanding of who we are beyond the surface-level chaos. By consistently practicing these techniques, we can transform our daily lives. We become more resilient, more centered, and more in tune with our inner wisdom. This newfound connection with ourselves opens up a world of possibilities, enabling us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and confidence. So, let's embrace this opportunity to connect with our inner selves through meditation. It's a journey worth taking, a path to unlocking our true potential and finding lasting peace within. Embracing the benefits of meditation. In conclusion, meditation is a transformative practice that can positively impact every aspect of our lives. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to mindful breathing and stillness, we can unlock a myriad of benefits. From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing our emotional well-being and mental clarity, the power of meditation is truly profound. Imagine facing each day with a sense of calm and balance, no matter what challenges come your way. Meditation helps us develop resilience, enabling us to handle life's ups and downs with grace and composure. It fosters a deeper connection with our inner selves, allowing us to understand our thoughts and emotions better and respond to them in healthier ways. Moreover, the benefits of meditation extend beyond our personal lives. As we cultivate inner peace, we become more compassionate and empathetic towards others. Our relationships improve as we bring a more centered and understanding presence into our interactions. We start to see the world through a lens of mindfulness, appreciating the beauty in everyday moments. Consistent practice is key to reaping these benefits. Like any skill, meditation requires dedication and patience. But the rewards are well worth the effort. By making meditation a regular part of our routine, we can experience lasting change in our overall well-being. So, let's embrace the transformative power of meditation. Let's commit to this journey towards inner peace and spiritual growth. Remember, every moment spent in meditation is an investment in ourselves, a step towards a more balanced, mindful, and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of meditation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and techniques to continue your journey towards spiritual awakening. Together, we can cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace and unlock our true potential. Your journey towards spiritual growth. As you embark on your meditation journey, you'll begin to witness a profound personal transformation. This practice isn't just about finding momentary peace, it's about cultivating a deep, lasting sense of inner calm and spiritual growth. Over time, you'll notice how meditation helps you navigate life's challenges with greater ease and resilience. You'll start to feel more connected to your true self, understanding your thoughts and emotions on a deeper level. This newfound awareness will empower you to make more mindful choices, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. The moments of stillness you create through meditation will become a sanctuary, a place where you can always return to find peace and clarity. Moreover, the benefits extend beyond your personal well-being. As you grow spiritually, you'll radiate a sense of calm and compassion that positively impacts those around you. Your relationships will deepen as you bring more presence and understanding into your interactions. Remember, this is a continuous journey. Consistent practice is key to experiencing lasting change. So, let's commit to this path together. Subscribe for more meditation tips and techniques to support your ongoing journey towards spiritual awakening. With each step, you'll cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace and unlock your true potential. Thank you for being part of this transformative journey.